What's going on, smart people? Bringing you another physics video today. We're doing things a little bit differently in that I have Kelly with me, and we're also changing things up and making this a drinking game. As always, I will leave a link in the description so that you can take the quiz with us. If you're not 21, that's fine. You can still take a quiz. There's no age limit on fun, as long as the fun isn't drinking.
What are the rules again?
The rules are simple. We write down our answer for the question, and then after we've each chosen a answer, we will say what they are, and then we'll select one. We'll choose mine by default, and if we're right, then we don't have to take a drink. If we are wrong, then the person has to drink. With me so far. Next, there's really no other step. Let's get started. So you think you can physics, take the quiz. Let's find out. This, I think, is 15 questions.
Okay.
Very simply, what is the difference between weight and mass? A, no difference, they're synonyms. B, mass is the amount of matter in an object. Weight is the gravitational force on an object. Mass is metric, weight is imperial. Mass is a measurement of size, weight is a measure of density. No looky-loos here.
7.
Oh, I don't know why I said that.
Rate your name because you want to get points for your name. That's important. I don't have those very many people.
Okay, I said B.
I said B.
Word.
Word.
Put that in.
Means I'm
Cool.
just as smart as you. Wow, oh, I got it right.
The laws of physics tell us that energy is conserved.
That's a constant.
We may have had a few drinks already. Conserved, concerned, constant,
Concerned.
or contained.
Energy is very concerned. Are you okay?
I mean, I feel like we should have rules where if it's a completely obvious answer, you just be like, it's obviously
concerned.
it's concerned.
It's obviously
It's obviously concerned.
Obviously.
It's concerned. Oh, I meant to put. Oh, you're right. Okay, so it is conserved. I thought it was concerned.
Same.
Which two elementary particles are described as massless? Photon, gluon, muon, neutrino, electron, proton, or none of the above? Okay. Okay.
I hope I did that right. That might be stupid.
Well, it's definitely not electron, proton.
No.
It's definitely not. Neutrinos definitely have mass. So it's definitely I don't know.
Oh wait, is neutrino a heavier?
Oh, I didn't mean to pick that one.
Oh no. Well, that's what
I didn't mean to pick that one.
Well, that's what I put. So. But is neutrino heavier than the electron or lighter?
It's heavier.
So it's just like a heavy electron, right?
I think so.
But muons are pretty light. Yeah. So it's yeah.
But photons definitely don't have mass.
Oh, I didn't even see that said photon. I didn't even see that option.
It's going so well. So I meant to. I did put photon and gluon. You can.
He's lying.
My answer says A. Whatever.
Who gave you a degree?
The Large Hadron Collider at CERN uses 1.3 terawatt hours of electricity annually. That's equivalent to the amount needed to power roughly 300,000 middle-class homes. The energy released by roughly 1.4 million 100-watt light bulbs in a year. Okay, roughly the same annual usage as Madagascar.
What?
Okay, okay. Well. Maybe we should just start talking through these.
Yeah, no,
because this is different than I anticipated.
It's not C or D or E, right? Because
I don't know.
A and C are not the same thing. That's stupid. There's not 300,000 middle-class homes in Madagascar.
Are there not?
No.
I don't know. I mean, well,
do they even have a class system?
Roughly the same annual usage as Madagascar. I don't know. I think what's skewing my idea of this is the movie, because I picture something that's like untouched by people.
Well, no, I'm pretty sure that they're like they don't have a lot of people because they try and preserve it. So there's like a limit to how many people they let live on the island.
Oh,
or
I don't know.
I guess you couldn't call it an island, can you?
Well,
is it an island?
Yeah, it is.
It's an island. Yeah. That's what I've heard through the grapevine.
A and B sound fair.
Yeah, A and B sounds
1.4 million 100 watt times 1.4 million is going to be 140 million watt, as opposed to 1.3 terawatt, but running for a year. That sounds fair.
Well, wait, 1.4 million.
So
How many hours in a year?
3,600 seconds in a day times 365. I don't want to spend this much time doing Fermi problems.
Can we
Let's just say
B?
I'm gonna say, well, it was D. All of the above. Madagascar. You guys have an energy crisis.
Christ.
Why?
Lord. Oh, Lord.
You have to drink.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, we're doing this. Well, I have to drink for the last one, too, then, right?
Yeah. Oh, you didn't? Well, I might have drinking for you.
Still consider it.
Okay. That's surprising.
That is surprising. I feel like I
Okay.
shouldn't assume things about Madagascar.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Matt. For any Madagascar fault or watchers, viewers,
Sorry.
I apologize.
Apologies.
I'll make a formal apology in the next video. The universe is made up of 3 main ingredients: ordinary matter, and dark energy. In what proportions?
Oh, this guy gave a talk about that yesterday. The one that we went to dinner with.
There's literally a book with the answer on the cover. I keep forgetting to write down the question names.
You can just go by the last column. Okay.
Wait, I'm confused. What's a dark stew?
What the fuck? I don't know.
Because, alright, so the name of the book is a 4% universe, which I think
But
means only 4% of
Are
the
these-
universe is like baryonic matter.
Why would they give them those names? Mostly matter, a good mix, a dark stew.
I think it's C.
It is C.
Okay.
It's definitely C.
We smart.
Yeah, we smart.
Which of these phenomena inspired Albert Einstein in his development of general relativity? Seeing an apple fall from the tree,
What that apple doing there?
watching 2 trains move in opposite directions,
What them trains?
the vibration of strings on a violin,
What them trains?
seeing a man
Oh.
fall off a roof.
I've also seen
Yeah, I know what the answer
this
is.
video at the planetarium.
I don't know why I'm writing answers down. We're talking about them anyway at this point.
You gotta keep track of your ideas, thoughts, and opinions.
It's D.
No, I put D.
Okay. Called it the happiest moment of his life, I think.
Is that what it says?
I don't know.
That was in the video or the movie, remember?
No.
The Black Holes movie?
Oh, at the planetarium?
Yeah, you remember? Remember?
When you map out the universe from smallest scale to the largest, which is 91 billion light years across, what do you find approximately in the middle? What does the middle mean?
Yeah, what? Wait. Oh, okay. I think it means in like size terms, not like the middle of the universe.
Oh.
From the smallest scale. to the
Oh,
largest.
this was on, I think Neil deGrasse Tyson answered this. NDT. I think I know this one. I think I know this one.
I'm gonna put. If Neil deGrasse Tyson said it, he just likes to make people feel special. I feel like, doesn't he?
Man, he's gonna text me as soon as this post, and he's gonna be like, "What did Kelly say about me?" That's such a Neil thing to do.
Oh my
It's life as we know it.
Is it?
I'm afraid to click on it, but I'm pretty sure it is.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay.
All right, word.
The cells? Huh.
Dab. Okay.
I said the Earth.
Close enough.
It's not close enough. He's talking about the cells inside our body.
Oh wow, that is, yeah. Well, I was thinking people.
Were you?
Yeah. So, the largest known star in the galaxy is UY Scuti.
UY Scooter, that's my rap name.
in the Scutum
Scutum.
constellation. If it was plopped into the center of our solar system, where our sun is now, how much space would it take up? It is 5 times larger than our sun and 400 times. I have a hard time believing that the largest known star in the galaxy is only 5 times larger.
No, that's not possible.
Damn it!
What is wrong with you? Well, we already eliminated that one. There's nothing wrong with you. You're doing great. I'm sorry.
So it was. It would swallow up Earth and the planets closer to the sun. Its outer edge would sit somewhere.
Oh, is that the right answer it's telling us?
It's saying the outer edge would be beyond the orbit of Jupiter.
Okay, well, I would have said that it would, like...
I wouldn't have said that. I saw Mercury, then Venus, I saw the Earth, then Mars, saw Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So that's the fifth one.
I would have said it would have swallowed the whole... No.
I'd probably...
Probably... that makes a little bit of sense.
To be honest, I think I would have said that, but out of respect for the game, that I know that the answer is that now, I'll take a drink anyways. I think I would have said this.
That makes sense, though, because... And that's not half the...
Actually, I might have said between Mars. I might have said C or D. So, out of respect for the game.
Cheers. Oh, welcome! Meow meow!
I don't know if you guys can see the cat.
Come here.
Okay. Speaking of our galaxy, there's a black hole at the middle of the Milky Way called Sagittarius A complex conjugated.
A star.
Roughly how massive is it compared to our sun? 4,000 times, 400,000 times, 4 million times. They're radically different, but the same mass.
Okay, that's stupid. Homie.
What do you think? We have a consult.
Meow meow.
Phone a friend. What do you think it is? You already had some. Just kidding. I think it's probably four.
I say A.
I think it's C.
What question is this? I feel like I skipped one. Okay, this is 8. This is 9, right?
Something like that.
I'm gonna say A.
I think it's C.
4,000 times. That's a lot of mass, but maybe I feel like.
So you're A.
Yeah. I don't know. Wow.
What? I was right.
How did you wait? 4 million suns. Okay.
Because I'm like, aren't they called like supermassive black holes?
Yeah.
So it's not just like because your average star won't become a black hole.
Fucking Farhan
and this is
would
a
have known that.
supermassive one.
I'm sorry, am we allowed to cuss in here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Farhan would have known that because he loves supermassive black holes.
Shout out.
Shout out, Farhan.
Planets come in a variety of sizes. The exoplanet Drakkari is the smallest legitimate exoplanet known so far. How puny is it? It's the size of South Dakota, twice as massive as our moon. Who knows what the size of South Dakota is? Gun to my mom's head. What is the size of South Dakota? But Mom, I love you. Sorry.
What? People know what the size of South Dakota is, but we wouldn't be able to.
South Dakotians.
Maybe North Dakota probably knows too, okay?
Out of spite. Twice as massive as our moon. One 100 millionth the mass of Earth. Self-conscious about its weight and won't divulge.
It's D. Aren't we all, though?
Exoplanet
I'm
Drowler.
gonna say B. Because if it was the size of South Dakota, I don't think we could detect it. And I think the moon is more than 1/100 millionth the mass of Earth. But I'm just talking out my ass here.
No, it definitely is. I think it's like an 11th.
I don't know things.
I could be wrong, but I think it's 1/11th the mass of the Earth.
I think it's self-conscious about its weight.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Just for the sake of being contrarian, I will pick A. So it is B. So you were right.
Yeah, I know some things. Meow meow, come here. Come here. What are you doing? You just gonna go the hard way?
She wants to come to Papa. What of the following is not a form of energy? Light, friction, heat, or sound?
Is not a form of energy?
Yes. That's obviously. Oh, I almost clicked it.
You're crazy.
Friction is a force. Heat. So, whenever I think of like forms of energy or like energy not being conserved, I immediately go to car crashes. Because car crashes, some energy is lost due to heat, some energy is lost due to sound.
You're so depressing. You know everything about like bombs that kill people and like car crashes and what was the other thing?
I mean, that's
Yo, you need to get out more.
I don't know. What are you doing over there?
Stay off
All
the
right.
internet.
What do you think it is? I think it's friction.
You think it's friction?
Yeah. I think I would put that under the force category.
I feel like friction. Well, heat is definitely an energy.
Well, I think of energy lost in the form of, and then all of the above sound like what I would, think.
So.
Would you believe we
All of
we
them-
both have degrees in physics?
Form of energy. I feel like they don't know what they're talking about. These questions. Okay.
Energy can be lost due to friction, but energy is not lost in the form of friction
It's not.
because friction is a force.
Oh, but it's lost when it is lost in the form due to friction. It's in the form of heat, right?
Right. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, that's a good point. Yes, so it's definitely
B?
it's
B?
unanimous.
B.
We smart.
Yeah.
According to special relativity, when an observer at rest looks at a spaceship moving very quickly towards her, what does she see? The ship appears shorter. Wait, so let me picture this. I'll even need multiple choices.
Looks at spaceship
When an observer looks at rest,
relatively quickly,
looking at a spaceship,
very quickly. Oh.
what does she see? It's moving towards her. Okay. Shorter, and the ship's clock is ticking more. The ship appears longer, ticking faster. What's the difference between ticking more and ticking faster? There's no difference. It's not C. Not C. It's impossible to ever measure length or time for
Well,
a
it
moving
says what
object.
does she see, and also there's no difference between ticking more. Wait, ticking more.
I think ticking more.
See, like,
Oh, ticking more slowly. There we go.
can't
I did not
read.
see that. Okay,
I told you I couldn't read.
it's A.
Wait, we're shorter and the ship's clock is ticking more slowly.
Moving
Yes,
clocks
yeah,
run slower.
Yeah, that's what she
Or
would
tick
see,
slower.
I guess.
And
I guess.
moving objects are length contracted in their direction of motion. Yes.
Whew. Okay.
I'm still. I keep drinking
I
even though I'm
forgot
not
to
losing.
drink, so I'm just gonna.
Okay. On a cosmological scale, the concept of distance is actually pretty tricky to define. Why is that? You're the astrologer. Heisenberg, well, that has nothing to do with it. Supermassive black holes in the galaxy are eating matter too
Gotta
quickly.
be C.
I want to know how fast it's going, but it got eaten by a black hole. The universe is expanding, and the rate of expansion has changed over time.
Our ruler's
That
too
sounds
short.
fair.
Our rulers are too short. We just don't have.
We don't have. Oh, you were one step ahead
We
of
don't
me.
have the
We
materials.
don't have the long enough ruler to reach the stars.
The stars are too far.
To be, I'm sure that does make things a little.
We
difficult.
don't have the resources, Andrew. We live in a society.
That would be hard because. So let's talk about D for a second. It's C, obviously, but
Yeah.
D, even if you had a long enough ruler, Proxima Centauri is still like 5 light years away. So it would take light 5 years to travel from us to it. If we had a ruler and we tried to push it to touch Proxima Centauri, assuming it didn't burn up, the force pushing the ruler, the interactions between the ruler, those are compression waves move at the speed of sound. So that would take a very, very long time to reach the star. So that wouldn't even be efficient.
I don't know.
I'm saying, like, if you ever think of like someone who wanted to like touch one side of the moon and then move their hand, like they had a really long stick, and then move it to the other side of the moon, and their argument would be like, I'm moving faster than light. Well, it doesn't work that way because the compression waves in the material propagate at the speed of sound. So that it would take a while for that information to reach the other end of the pole.
So when you try and move this end, that end would take like however long.
Yeah. This has nothing to do with the problem. I just think that's kind of cool.
Anyways, we use parallax.
Parallax. Was this a Dr. Seuss movie? The universe is expanding, but the galaxy, solar system, Earth, humans, and the like are not. This is 20 minutes long. Jesus Christ. The why is that? These things are still expanding, but it's harder to notice because of the smaller scale.
It's B.
It definitely has something to do with it. On these scales, gravity and the strong nuclear force are stronger than the expansion. Cool, so now I have to actually edit that in.
Yeah.
The presence of the mysterious dark gluing force keeps these things together.
You're gonna do both of those?
One clockwise, one counterclockwise.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
I'm not expanding. Why is that? I mean, the question says that we're not. Why is that? So, unless
Wait,
it's
why are
tricking
we
me.
why is my mass not expanding away from each
Yeah.
other? Or like my matter? My matter, man.
I think it's because unless they're being little tricksters, little faker-dakers. I don't think it's A. I think it's C. Because
Yeah, that makes sense because I mean
I'm not expanding.
that makes sense because
Okay, so C. There we go. I still drank.
because
Oh, we're on the last question.
because science.
If energy cannot be created or destroyed, why do stars shine?
They're the only except you are the only
Stars are the
exception.
only exception to the law of conservation of energy.
Burn just like logs on a fire.
There is an active area of research in astrophysics, and answers should be coming soon.
We're coming soon. We're getting you the answers as we speak.
Top people working on it, as NDT would say. I thought this said Doctor Nuclear Fusion. Nuclear fusion transforms mass into energy.
Doctor? Captain?
Well, I feel like this was kind of a troll. It's definitely not A, B.
No, the answers are
C.
coming soon. They're coming soon. Any day now. I got my best people on it.
Can we agree that the answer is
E?
B?
Yeah, we can't agree that it's E.
Cool.
Just logs on a fire.
Yes, we are correct.
love that.
So we got 11 out of 15. That is precisely a 11 divided by 15.
7.
Oh wow, 73%.
Ooh, just like my final and step. No.
So a couple of physics grads got a 73% on an online quiz that anyone can make. What did you guys get? Let us know in the comment section below.
Tell us if energy is conserved or concerned. Finish our drinks because we failed. So
Let us know in the comment section what you guys got, and we'll see you there. Mine's so much more.
where does it go?
You cannot stop this brain.
It goes up here. That explains so much.